I have a saying, every morning you get up, this little devil saying what you can't have, what you can't come, what you cannot become. Also, there's an angel over here that said what you can do and you can do it. Why not you? You can do it. Back to the channel, All Things Business. Al Thomas here. I want to thank you to my place here in Mexico, in Tulum. I'm about a block from my house. There's eateries and coffee shops and things like this around. And I was sitting there, just got finished with breakfast, and with Mr. Clemens, and I was thinking about something that it just dawned on me as I was praying this morning. A lot of people can't go and do what they want to do because a couple things I'm going to talk about this morning. Have you noticed what you did in 2023 and 2024 and 25 has not got you where you want to go? So why do we keep repeating the same things in 2026? And it just dawned on me. You cannot, write this down if you can take notes. You cannot defeat what you keep defending in your thoughts. A lot of us have ideas, dreams, hopes, desires, books, cures for cancer, a lot of things in us that need to come out of us, but we keep defending and defeating why we can't do it. So you cannot defeat what you keep defending in your thoughts. And your thoughts is what's holding you back from being who you need to be in 2026. This is why you have to renew your mind every day. Scripture says you must renew your mind every day with your thoughts. When I get up in the morning, I'm at my house here in Mexico, and I renew my mind every day. I get off here and I get out this morning and took a walk. I had to go to the bank, and I'm just sitting there just renewing it because I keep thinking if I never did the first step, I would not have the lifestyle that I have today and going to places where I want to go with no strings attached. Hey, welcome, Al Thomas here. Thank you. I'm so excited. My new book just got released on Amazon called The Entrepreneurial Mindset to Wealth. It's going to help you understand how to make the gap from here to where you want to go in 2026 and beyond. You're going to see some of the things that I did to learn from my billionaire mentors that have helped me become who I am today. And I'm going to talk about real estate in there when I bought my first property. I'm going to talk about my mentors in there. It is so jam-packed with information you're going to learn from, and it's going to help you become better and stronger. The benefits are you don't have to do things I had to go through to get where you want to go. Think about it. For a book like this, you're going to get so blessed with so much information. I would buy 3 or 4 if I were you and give your 2 best friends. It's going to be a great thing that you can talk about and converse with between you. Hey, listen, also leave a book review. I love to get a book review. Make it good. As well as if you send me a picture of you holding the book, I want to get that out there so people can see how you're enjoying the book as well. Let's bless others. Pay it forward. Take care. And God bless. Remember, with a closed fist, you can't give nor receive. Let's give it to the world. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. So I, too, had to defeat in the beginning. How you going to get a place in Mexico? You're not a citizen yet. How you going to do this? You're not there yet. You have the wrong mindset yet. Who do you know in Mexico? Yet. But the cartels are there. But yet. See, I had to defeat. And a lot of you right now, you're struggling with defeating that little negative. I have a saying. Every morning you get up, this little devil saying what you can't have, what you can't come, what you cannot become. Also, there's an angel over here that said what you can do and you can do it. Why not you? You can do it. And there's what I call a battle of the mind by Jim Rohn's going on. And and the truth is, which one you feed, this one or this one, is true. Which one are you feeding today? Can you believe in yourself and quit defending things that are defeating you? Okay, you can't defeat what you keep defending in your thoughts. I'm gonna say it again. You cannot defeat what you keep defending in your thoughts. This is why you have to renew your mind daily. Some hourly, but continue renewing it. I hope this blessed you today. I hope you got a lot of it today. But I was having breakfast here in Mexico, my home in Tulum. I was just thinking, let me send this out to people so they can understand you can push through the things that are slowing you back in 2026. I hope this blessed you today. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Leave a comment. We love comments. And if you have not hit the subscribe button, please do that. And the notification. Take care. God bless. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.